Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 955 and I'm gonna show you how to change the time format on this watch. First, press and hold the up button to open the menu. Once the menu opens, you can use the up and down buttons to scroll through this menu. Now, scroll through this menu, find the option called the System, select it, and then press the Start button to enter. Now, scroll down by pressing the down button, select the Time option, and press the Start button to enter. And as you can see, first option we have here is Time Format. Select it, press the Start button, and you can select one of the three options: 12-hour format, 24-hour format, and military. Select the one you like, then press the Start button to confirm. For example, now we have the military time, and if we go back to the watch face, the time should change. For some reason it looks the same, so maybe let's select 12-hour format. So let's go to System, Time Format, let's select 12-hour, and now it should be different, and it is. Okay, and that's how you change the time format on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.